Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Miriki Hana. Keep on subscribing, liking and sharing. And guys, I swear, please subscribe. This is the most thing so that you can be receiving every video that I put on my YouTube channel. Anyway, today I'm gonna be talking about the building self-trust because some of us have gone back and back and you've seen I studied this but I can't finish. Some of us don't trust ourselves to doing something. Look at yourself. See the things that you finished and see how they turn out. Maybe you will. I usually give examples with my school. For me in school, I planned for like all that time. Those days, I planned the one I'm gonna study, the two, like that till the end. But let me tell you guys, I did it and it was so beautiful finishing up the whole term until the end of the exam, and I knew like I did what I wanted to do. Let the rest remain to God or the universe, because God, I know God gives what you work for and what you really want and what you ask. You might not say it, but in your mind you might have thought about it. But I think God gives what you really want or need. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna be telling you is rebuilding your trust. You have to have discipline. You have to have discipline such that you can stick to that plan from the one to the end until you get the results that you want. Trust me, you're gonna love it. The next thing is understand why you want to do something. What do I say by understanding what you want to have a deeper meaning? Let what you're doing have a deeper meaning or a deeper purpose on your life. Some of us have maybe you're in school, but you need to have a deeper meaning. Why are we in school? We want to make this life that we always wanted. Maybe if education comes with it, we want to ensure that any opportunities that comes up and it needs someone learning, we are gonna get it. We are not going to lose it to someone else. We want to gain that. That's why we're studying. Or maybe you want to remove your family from darkness, that darkness of lack of knowledge or lack of peace. You know why? Do some things with a purpose. Understand the purpose of you doing that thing. The next thing is commit to that thing and stay consistent. I like that I'm fighting to the nail to stick with this YouTube channel because I really love YouTubing, but sometimes I'm confused. Maybe I find a job and say, YouTube can wait until tomorrow, but today I have to maybe work. I need I need to tell you guys that I need to stay consistent. That's what I'm working to the need to get. Next is treat yourself how you want others to treat you. What do I mean by treating yourself how you want others to treat you? If you want to be spoiled, spoil yourself. Some of us, sometimes you don't necessarily need money or something. You want to be taken to dates. Make sure you take yourself out to dates too. Let them know you do this and they are not going to deprive you of that. Treat yourself, spoil yourself, give yourself what you want. You want it to come from the outside, but let it first come from your inside. The next thing is understand what you live or that you can live on your own. Some of us need to understand that we can really survive with ourselves. We have the capability to live on our own, but we are so dependent. Let's understand that we can really do it without them, and they are gonna come around. We don't give it very. They are not a need. They're just a want. They are a want, not a need. Anyway, guys, till next time. Bye bye. Love you guys.